Hello and welcome to the second episode of the beginner's guide for Next.js. In this episode we will set up the project for our Next.js application. To get started with the Next.js we need two things installed. First of all we need the Node.js. You just simply click on one of these buttons and install the latest version. Second of all we need a text editor to change the code that we are writing into our application. When we have everything installed, we can get started with the project. I have created a folder called YouTube Next.js on my desktop and opened Visual Studio on this location. To get started with a Next.js application, we go to the terminal. I already have mine open, and we type npx create next app, and then the name of the app, I'll just call mine YouTube test. As you see here, everything is getting installed in my YouTube Next.js folder. The project, as I mentioned, is called YouTube test, so it's going forward. Success! Now we have our next project. To get started with this project, we need to go into the project, so cd YouTube test. Now we are located in the project. If you want to see how the project looks on the browser, we can just simply type npm run dev. Then we copy this HTTP localhost 3000. We switch back to the browser. We open localhost. And as you see, here is our project. Let's try to change this welcome to Next.js. Just really easy to show you guys that it's working. We go here. We find a page that is written. Oh. That's my bad. So right here, welcome to Next.js is where we're going to change. Let's just delete this. Let's just delete this at least. Welcome to the Digital Corners YouTube tutorial. Ctrl S to save the project. Then we switch back to the browser, and as you see here, this changed. Welcome to the Digital Corners YouTube tutorials. So that's pretty much it for this. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked the video, please leave a comment, and for the next video we are going to look at the folder structure here on the left to get you guys started with styling the application and figuring out what these different folders do. Thank you.